Okay, so I mentioned that each province within Canada has a core course list where you can find which courses are approved at schools that you attend. So the Ministry of Education in each province is who oversees the core course list process, because every province has provincial-wide education, so the courses are going to be approved for every school within that province. So any school in Ontario would follow the Ontario provincial list, and the link can be found right there on the left-hand side for where you can access these school codes at another time. And then on the next slide that I'm going to show you is where you can look those up. So the first step would be to make note of the school code for your particular province. So if you're from Quebec, you would write down 998001. And then going to the next slide, if you go to our high school portal, which you can find at eligibilitycenter.org at the upper right-hand corner, you will be taken to this website. And at the top of this website, you will see a tab that says List of NCAA Core Courses. So you will want to click on that tab. Once you do that, you will be brought to this screen. And on the left-hand side, it will say NCAA High School Code. That is where you will input your province's code. So if you're from Quebec, you would put in 998001 here and then hit the search button. Once you do that, it will pull up the list of core courses, which I know the screen is a little small to see here, but if you go to the actual website, you can view things much larger. But this is where you will find the grading scale for your country and how that converts to the NCAA grading scale. So for example, these screenshots are from Ontario, and that's where you would find the high school grading scale. So if you had an 87 in a course, that would be an A grade with us, which is worth 4 quality points. So you can find that information there. The screen next to grading scale, the box next to grading scale, is where you can find the course titles that are approved per subject area. So you can search by English, math, science, social science, etc. And then the additional information box, which you will find at the top of the Ontario page, is where you would find information on course codes. So for example, courses coded with an M, a U, or a D letter grade or letter within the course code in the 5th character are approved, so long as the course title matches what's on the core course list. But courses that have a C, O, P, or E are not approved. Those are denied courses. The one exception obviously being the civics course, CHV2O, which is approved for use in our process, and it's worth a half of a credit. You will also find denied course titles here. So if you're unsure if a course is approved or denied, you would take a look at the denied list to see if that course has been reviewed and denied.